Today we are going to Hualien. To Hualien again on a 3-day trip. First day we will go to TAROKO Gorge. Second day down the East Rift Valley. Third day up on the coast. Oh yeah, I just arrived at Hualien. We are now renting a car at Car Plus. I think we get a Nissan Livina. I like a Livina. It's spacious, has enough storage for a lot of bags, easy to drive. Don't eat garbage. We just arrived at the TAROKO National Park Visitor Center, which is over there. Very fresh green scenery here. Down there is Zhuilu stream. So this is the entrance to TAROKO Gorge. We came from down there and passed the bridge. Over here is the visitor center up there. And TAROKO Gorge is further on, all the way, about 20 kilometers to Tianxiang, the main village in the gorge. It's great to be back in the TAROKO Gorge. Inside the visitor center is an exhibition room. Let's have a look. Children here. Now we have lunch at the TAROKO National Park Visitor Center. I have some fake meat. We are now going to the little Zhuilu trail and then on to Shakadang Trail. So this is the Shakadang tunnel. If you go through this tunnel, you come on the other side is the Shakadang Trail. Inside the tunnel is a fork, and if you turn left here, you come to the Zhuilu Trail, which is here. Oh yeah, there's a suspension bridge or two. Yoo-hoo! Down there is the main highway. Actually, the weather is perfect. It's not too hot, not too sunny. Hello, Rick.
Hello.
Say hello. Do something stupid.
See myself?
Yeah, jump.
It's so narrow. I'm a little nervous.
Here's a nice spot to look back at the entrance of TAROKO Gorge. In the distance you can see the Pacific Ocean. Alright, here we are at Lihu River. That's the river that carved TAROKO Gorge out of the mountains. And behind me you can see the Red Bridge, and past that bridge is the trailhead for the Shakadang Trail, which we will do next. At Shakadang Trail you have to be very careful not to bump your head into the ceiling. It's very low. Yoo-hoo! Here we have the start of Shakadang Trail. How do you like it here? Want to say something?
It's alright.
Wow!
It's near Vancouver.
Oh,
and
I thought it's here.
Yeah, near a place called Hope, BC, just when you start going in the Rocky Mountains. And this very spot is where, do you remember the Rambo movie, First Blood? Where the guy in the helicopter is trying to shoot Sylvester Stallone? No? You never saw that? Yeah, and he falls out. That's the spot.
So if you are from Canada and have been to the Rockies, you don't have to come here.
No. Boring!
This is marble, right?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Am I right?
Slices of marble. Isn't that fantastic rock?
Wow, so beautiful. One thing I like very much about TAROKO Gorge are the marble rocks in the river, and then the color of the water. This is a beautiful spot. Here's a great spot. The Shakadang Trail goes all the way down there. And here's a spider web. Check it. This is probably the most fun stretch of the trail. Cool, but watch your head. See the beautiful marble walls. Watch your head. See those stripes down there on the wall? I like this part of the trail very much. This river is really beautiful with the marble boulders and the azure water. Here's another great spot from where you can see the river and the marble cliffs on the other side. Beautiful. I highly recommend walking the Shakadang Trail, especially if you look for a scenic walk without much effort. It's very easy to walk. It's almost flat all the way, and you can decide when to turn back. I think this is the most beautiful stretch where you walk under the cliff and you can look down. The river is down there. Very beautiful. The light comes from down and gets onto your face and makes you really pretty. We are now here on the Shakadang Bridge. Down there is a trail we just finished, and this is a great spot to take it all in. Beautiful scenery.
Want to say something? Yeah, just pure, like, terrific marble, right? It's so inexpensive. It's like a giant North American bathroom.
Terrific marble.
Shakadang.